5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Level 1.
2,
Smaller seconds. Every time you go to upper level, smaller seconds. That means you catch up
four, 5, 6, 7,
level 7.
8,
I stopped at level 8, level 8.3, and I was running 12 kilometers per 20 minutes, 20 meters, 12 kilometers per hour. Time, it was 7 minutes, 23 seconds. The distance was 1,240 meters. Down, push up, something, spray, 1, 2, go for 15. Yeah, it's good to take a break, gain your breath, and come back. Let's go. Good famous. go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Down, push up, up, spray. 1, 2, go for 15. Yeah, it's good to take a break, gain your breath, and come back. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One, two, one, go. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Look to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Look to the other side. Continue breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Swing your arms. Bring back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch it up. Front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms straight. Call. 10, 9. Call speed. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Palms face up. Call. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Call from the back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Call front. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Call the arms here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2. Up. 5, 4. Call speed. 5. Let your fingers move. Let your fingers move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Face down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Face inside. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Face out. 2. Call. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch it up here and out. Open. 10, 9, 8, 7. Open your back. Open your chest. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Left leg front, right leg back. Right leg back straight. Here bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms down. Bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift right arm up. And look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Left arm up. Looking up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms off the floor and up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back leg, slip on the floor and go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change the other side. Maintain back leg straight. Maintain back leg straight. 5, 4. Palms on your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread. 5, 4. Back leg straight. 3, 2, 1. Take arms down. Inside your leg. Arms down. Bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left arm up. Looking up. If you cannot put your palm down, you can put your fingertips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Right arm up. Look there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Back leg. Slip down and sit in the down lunge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Up like that and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Walk your legs back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice. Shake it. 5, 4, 3, 2. And round and round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change the side. 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice. Good enough.